Hi everybody, it's Ruth from Viva Vel Toro. So hopefully you can see me okay. I'm getting a little glare from the window. I am so excited to talk to you guys today about what we're doing for Halloween. I've partnered with JCPenney this year to get our costumes, and I was walking through JCPenney with my son last week, and he saw a Toy Story Woody costume. Now in our JCPenney, we always have this area that has all these Disney dress-up costumes and like princesses and everything, but now they have even more stuff and a lot of stuff for boys since it's Halloween. And so my son saw this Woody costume and he just had to have it. So I said, of course, definitely. Toy Story was the very first Disney movie I ever let him watch, and he was obsessed with Woody. In fact, when he was 18 months old, he was Woody for Halloween. So when he wanted to be Woody now that he picked this himself, I said absolutely. So we saw this costume, and it was seriously so adorable. This is officially Disney licensed costume, and it's more than just like that one-piece costume that has those like foam boot covers and looks like a leotard. This is like real deal dress-up clothes. So I definitely wanted to get it just because of that. It's separate pieces. It's got pants, a shirt, a vest with a little badge on it, and the neckerchief and the whole deal. So I had to get it. I think it was $40, but I got it on sale for $23. So I felt like that was a bargain, and definitely affordable for how high quality that it is. And I know that he'll wear this like way after Halloween because he's in that stage where he's 5 years old and he loves to play dress up and do all that. So then I wanted to see what they had to go with it. So I hopped on JCPenney.com while I was right there in the store because I didn't see a lot of accessories to go with it. And I found these Toy Story boots, so I ordered them right away. And they actually light up when he steps down. Oh, you can kind of see, cool. So they light up, and I knew that he will wear these long after Halloween. He loves wearing boots and dressing up. So I ordered these, and I think that they were $45, which I mean, I think is pretty decent price, especially for officially licensed Disney boots that light up when you walk. So had to get these, and then they had a official Woody hat. So I also got that for him, and this is a super high quality hat. Like, we've had little cowboy hats in the past that were kind of like made of felt, and they collapsed as soon as you kind of put them on your head, and they just looked sad after a while. But this is like real deal. So, and it says Woody on it. It's got the logo. So I got this for him. So once I had his costume kind of figured out, I was like, well, obviously I'm gonna have his little sister, who's 2. I'm gonna have her be Jessie because that's gonna be adorable. So they didn't have any Jessie costumes in store. They had a lot more kind of princess and Doc McStuffins and stuff like that. So I looked online at JCPenney.com, and they had like 3 different Jessie costumes for girls, but she was too big for like the infant toddler costume, and I thought she was too small for the toddler size 3 to 4 costume. So I was just gonna see if I could just make one myself. So I went through the toddler girl section, and I found some cute little jeggings and a long sleeve white t-shirt. And I thought, well, I can definitely make something out of that. I just was gonna go to the craft store and grab a couple supplies. And then I found these boots, and Lord, I love some little cowboy boots for babies. So these little Okie Dokie boots, and Okie Dokie is an exclusive to JCPenney brand, so you won't find it anywhere else. But we love their clothes. They wash up well, they last like a long time. They're super high quality, especially, and they're so affordable. So I got these little boots. How stinking cute are these? And I know that she'll wear these like all through fall, and she's been even wearing them like with her bathing suit, and I mean, we live in Florida, so she's wearing them around the house like in her bathing suit and in her pajamas. So she's like in love with them, and I think they're so stinking cute. So I had to get these, and these were originally $39, and then I got them for like $13.50 after coupons. While I was, I got them online, I think, and I ordered them to ship to the store. So sometimes you can get things a little bit cheaper if you can use a coupon on everything that you're buying. So I got these. So I went to the fabric store, and just to the craft store, our local one, and I found this fabric, and I got a half a yard of this fabric, and I could have even done less. And I think I got it for like $2. And then I knew that I didn't want to sew because that seemed like a lot of work, and I was trying to make this easy on myself. So I got this peel and stick, a roll of this peel and stick fusible double-sided adhesive tape. So I was able to just basically cut out the shape of the chaps that I wanted to make out of these jeggings, and with the tape I was able to make these. How cute are these? And so I attached them just using the tape. And I mean, they don't have to be perfect. This is just like a little kid's costume, but I left some room so that I can slip her foot down into the boot and it would still give that like chap effect. So I was pretty proud of these. So I thought that this was perfect. Oh, and I got these jeggings for $2.50. They originally, I think, like $10, but after sales and coupons at JCPenney, I got them for only $2.50. And then I got a white long sleeve t-shirt. Also, I got it for $2.50. Originally, I think it was $10, but you can always find super good affordable deals on really on-trend clothes there. So I got this long sleeve white shirt, and I just got some felt from the craft store and cut out like a little chest plate and did the design. I just pulled up a picture of Jessie and freehanded the design right on there, and left a little room. I just left some room in the shoulder area so that she could actually get it on. And I did the same thing for the cuffs. And it seriously, she looks so cute in it. I'm gonna post some pictures of her actually in it. I'm gonna blog about this, I think, because it's turned out so cute, and I think that other people might want to do it, and it was so affordable to do it this way. So I'm gonna show some pictures. She is so cute. I can't wait till you see how cute she looks in this. So, and then I was able to find her an official Jessie hat on JCPenney.com. This is an official like Disney licensed hat, again, like the real deal hat, and it's so cute. So her whole costume, I think I got like less than $30 for the boots that she's gonna keep wearing all year long, and the pants and the shirt and the hat. And then I wanted to get my husband and I in on the action, but I didn't want to get full-on costumes for us because I wasn't sure he was going to really want to participate in wearing a full-on costume. So I thought, you know, what can we do for Toy Story to where we can be in it too? And I thought about Mr. and Mrs. Potato Head. So I went to the men's section to see what they had available for t-shirts, and I found these Arizona t-shirts in the perfect shade of brown. And these are fantastic shirts in general. We have them in other colors. And they are super soft, like super soft t-shirts, and they wash up well, they last forever, they come in like all different colors. So these were originally $12 each. I got them on sale for $4.50 each. So I got myself a small, and I got my husband a large. And when I went to the craft store to get the felt for my daughter's costume, I also got some felt. I just got white, black, brown, pink, and red, and the sheets of felt were like 33 cents to $1 each. And then I used that same fusible tape to make our shirts. So I just cut out the pieces of felt, and I just pulled up a picture online of the potato heads. It was so easy, and just cut out the shapes and then fuse them together with the tape and like the lips, and I just drew on with Sharpie when I needed to. So the shirts turned out. So here's my shirt. I'm pretty excited about this. So Mrs. Potato Head right here. And again, so easy with this tape, just putting it on there, and it's no sew, and it took me like maybe 10 minutes to do both shirts. It was so quick. And my husband's shirt looks like this. So I'm gonna take some photos of us in these shirts, and then I'll post them so that you can see. But once we're all together, I think it's gonna be a super cute Halloween costume, and we can wear these, you know, a couple times to, you know, trunk or treating and then trick or treating at night. And so super easy, and I think I got everything. I mean, very reasonable price for 4 complete costumes. I got everything I needed at JCPenney, and one quick trip to the craft store, and everything was so really easy this year. So I'm feeling really good about this. So I'd love to hear what you guys are gonna be for Halloween, or what your kids are gonna be. And if you have done a family costume before, if you have any other ideas, I'd love to see. I'm reading the comments. You need something by Saturday and not scary. This would totally work. So you can just run to JCPenney and get you some Arizona t-shirts, and run to get some felt. I mean, you can get it at any big box store, craft store, and so easy to make, and they're so fun. And my husband, I think, is really gonna enjoy wearing this rather than like a full-on costume. And I think it's fun and festive. So yeah, let me know some comments. Let me know what you're gonna be, and I'll try to answer them after the live feed is over. So thanks for watching.